Hi, lovelies. I just had a blast hanging with you all face to face on our Thursday talk, our first of many over at the Facebook page at Stacy's Aunt Create, which is entitled Radiant Pearl Living, Stacy's Aunt Create on Facebook. And so, of course, I was bringing this Thursday talk to you after listening and hearing from you all as members of the Fearless Creator Method System, as well as those of you who have been along with me on the journey with the Radiant Pearl Living podcast and all of the magnificent fun things that we create week after week over on the blog at radiantpearlliving.com through our groups that we are providing support on Facebook. But we want to take this beyond to I'm thinking about YouTube and then even incorporating Instagram Live. And I want to hear from you. Where do you want to see us show up? Where do you want us to provide support and to meet with you face to face? I want to take the time out to thank Nanette, who you see on the screen right there. She was one of our interactive participants today on this very first Thursday Talk Live, where we addressed how to get rid of the overwhelm. So many of you RSVP'd through the newsletter and just the value that we're providing and helping you to just breathe. And we're bringing this to you in multiple formats, whether it is through the podcast or through live streaming, through the newsletter, on the blog article. I know it sounds like a lot, right? But no, with a simple method, the Fearless Creator System method, we can simplify and streamline the entire process to bring everything that we need to you to help you accomplish your dreams, make your dreams a reality. That is the focus of our most recent episode. So go ahead, tune in, let us know your thoughts, leave your questions so we can help you provide a solution and help you make your dreams a reality. See you very soon and talk with you again very soon live on the streams and the formats that you want us to come to and the platforms. So answer now and let me know, and stay radiant and fearlessly create.
I am fearless, I will keep fighting, I have a purpose, I will keep dreaming, don't need to worry.